So I explained that before you can build any model, so you have to do what? So you have to clean your data. Are you getting it? So, and I gave you all the steps that we use to build a model. Are you getting it? So if you want to build a model in data science, so we have different stage. We have steps that we need to take. So first one is importing of libraries. So we have different libraries like this pandas, numpy. Are you getting it? So they are libraries. So we have some other libraries for visualization. Are you getting it? To visualize your to visualize your result. Are you getting it? So we use plot graph, then matplotlib and seaborn. Are you getting it? Scatter plot. So they are what? They are libraries to visualize result. Then we also have some libraries to split our data. Are you getting it? We have libraries to build a model. So we have classification and regression. So now, then after the importation of the libraries, so the next one is to read your data, the data set. Are you getting it? So that's a second step to read your data. Okay, then the next one is to explore your data. So the next one is to explore your data to know if there are some anomalies. That is, if there's if there are errors in your data set, like maybe missing values. Are you getting it? So or outliers or duplicates. Are you getting it? So when you notice those errors, so you need to clean those errors. Are you getting it? So machine learning or data science, so uh, it's a stage by stage process. Are you getting it? So and you need to understand each stage. Okay. So now there's no more to say on importing of library. Are you getting it? Then loading of data set. But cleaning of data set, you need to understand it very well. Are you getting it? So and before you can start cleaning, so you should be able to explore the data. Are you getting it? Be able to interact with the data. So that is what we did last class. So we used a Titanic data set, right? Uh, so we check the first 10 rows in that data set. So this is df.ed. So and we have this result. That is first 10 rows. Are you getting it? So the second one is what? To check the last 10 rows. So, but if you don't specify the rows that you want to check, so if it is empty, if this bracket is empty, so the default is 5 rows. You get the first 5 rows, then last 5 rows. So then the information about the data set, that is df.info. Are you getting it? So it will show the total entries, total rows in that data set, and number of columns that we have. That is, so this one has 12 columns. Are you getting it? Then you will get the you get if there are missing values from here. So non-null means no empty cell. That's non-null. That is non-empty cell. So but if we since the total entries is what 891, so you now check the values of each column to know if there are missing values. So you can see 891 means there is no any missing value. Since the total entries is what? 891. That is 891 over 891. So but if you check this one, 714 over 891. So that means there are missing values in column age.